everybody. My name is Rebecca Lowry. I'm a beauty influencer with Farmasi, the Pharmacy. So on my last video, I talked to everybody about why I joined, why you should join, the backstory about Farmasi. If you did not catch that, this is only my second video. Just go to the other video and boom, you got it. So I want to talk to you today about this. This is the first kit you get when you order Farmasi. When you sign up for $19.99, this is the kit that comes with it. Now there's other kits that you can add on to this, which is the $49.99, the $125, and the $200, which is just more stuff in each one. You can choose to go with one of those kits. I did not. I knew what I wanted and I wanted to build from there. So that was my way of going at this. If you choose a different way, well, you can do what you have to do. Again, I've heard nothing but good things from those packages. I just chose not to. I was okay with this, and I just wanted to show everybody what this $19.99 kit is. So you get this pretty kit, which mine is busting at the seams a little bit, or it's going under. It has a magnetic strip, so automatically just closes for you, which is a great little box, a pretty little box. And you get, your first thing you get is a welcome. Hi, welcome to the group. You get that in 2 languages, which I'm assuming one is in English, and I think the other one is Spanish. And it's just saying welcome to being part of the family, blah, blah, all that fun stuff. Second one is, it's actually a nifty little book. It tells you, it gets a little bit more detailed about Dr. Tuna and what he was going after. This actually shows a picture of the Farmasi campus or company in Turkey, which is great information. It shows you like all the warehouses and stuff and where everything's made. Very informational. And then this is just again saying welcoming. This will run you through how to do your business, what you should be doing. It also has a glossary with Farmasi on their what words they use, so PV, GV, stuff like that. Group bonus, personal bonus, downlights, out points, very fun. And then it goes through how they would like you to do it, meaning like they want you to get into this welcome program and how that runs. I can't really remember. I think it's like if you spend $200 your first month, you get something. And then the Founders Club, which was like the first 100 people, I do believe, that signed up, or the top ranking. Yes. Founders Club is open to the first 100 entrepreneurs that achieved a director's title, which is amazing to be into that kind of a group here. This group is so new. It's amazing that we're still can get into the Founders Group. Let's see. You got group bonuses, stuff like that. It's very informational. Take a minute, look through it when you get it. A lot of information in this little book. Second book is all our skincare. It has the wrinkle cream that we sell, which is, I heard, amazing. I personally have not used it yet, but it's supposed to be quite amazing. And then it goes into our tea tree, or black, actually, this is our clay. I actually use the, actually it's not clay, it's the mask. It's the charcoal mask. Love it. And then it goes into our tea tree line. I personally use this line. I used to have really bad breakouts, especially where my hair meets my side of my face because of gel. This is usually but as you can see, there's no like new breakouts, which is great. It's all scars that, I'm just trying to get it to fade out. Or aloe line, which I should start working on too to help me with my scars, which I probably will be. And then it goes into a calendula line, which is for moisture and everything else. So that's a great thing to know. And then our next book, it sends us a bunch of information because they want us to know that we know what we're doing. So this is basically our palette book. Basically our swatch book. It has all of our makeup and which colors it's supposed to be. Reds, our lipsticks. As you can see, a lot of information here. I'm keeping this book. I keep this at hand just in case I need to make a reference to it. A lot of fun. Our mascaras, what our mascaras look like with the brushes and stuff. This is probably my favorite right here is the 3D. I actually just ordered the Zen today. Yeah, because I have no eyelashes, so I really have to work at that. I usually work falsies, which that's coming to us soon. I can't wait. Can't wait to get false eyelashes in. That's gonna be my jam. Um, and then it goes into our eyeshadows and everything else. A lot of information. This is our eyeliners. I personally like to use the ink liner. That's my favorite. And our nail polishes. More nail polishes. That's our swatch book. Then they send us some samples. I've actually dug into some of these samples already. So they do send us a nice pack of lipstick samples. These are all different kinds of samples. It's not just one type. I mean, we have everything in here from, you know, the mattes to the gloss ones, true color, mattes, intense color. I've used a couple of these just to try them out. Like them, love them. Also in my pack, I also got, actually it was a pack of 4, but I sent one away. So all these are pretty much pack of 4s, but I've sent one away. So here's the double effect Verde balsam horse chestnut balsam. Right here, I actually use this on my hair and I love it. I have a big bottle of this. It's the garlic capaxil. Love this. I have this actually as a shampoo, and I have this hair mask because I was actually thinning out a lot, and this looks a lot better than it has been. It sends you one foundation, which was 4, and it's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of your Stay Matte. I sent that out. Have someone try out, and the Cleanse oil, which was a pack of 4. And you also get 2 pharmacy bags, which is amazing. Again, this is definitely kit. What am I thinking? This is definitely a kit that you have to build upon. Me, I like doing things like that, like building and figuring out what I want. I don't like just to be given a bad, you know, I don't like going with the package deal only because I'm picky about what I want. So if you have not already seen my other video on why I joined Farmasi, and I think it's a good deal for you too, go back to the other video because I've only made, this is my second video, so if you're not watching this one, take a couple minutes to go watch the other one. Do me a favor, hit that like button, and hey, I love comments. Write me something. If I messed up on something, let me know. Let's have a conversation, okay? Take care, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.